Hello, hi, what's up you guys? Welcome back to my channel, and today I have box in front of you here because I'm going to do unboxing video today. So the doll that I've got here, as the title mentioned, is Ken doll from BMR. I'm sorry I forgot the names, but it's a boy. So let's do it. Ta-da! Oh my god, I love it. Let's I'm going to take a picture. So this is a doll. I'm going to take him out from the box. Yeah, the box is really pretty, and the artwork in front of the box is so cool. It says BMR 1959, 1959. And here you can pause and read if you like. So the box is it's just like a shoe box. So let's open it. Oh my god. Oh my god, he's so cool, guys. I hope you can see, guys. I love him. So this is close up, and we have the base stand here, the doll stand, and he's wearing her hair top knot here. He's come with this cool sweater and this I don't know, posh bag and short pants, and he's wearing what it called? I forgot. Sandal, right? He's wearing sandal. Alright guys, this is him officially out from his box because I asked several of my friends whether I'm going to keep it in the box or take it out, and my friend was like, take it out, and now he's out. And I forgot to mention he also came with these very cool glasses. And this is his outfit. And of course, he's comes with a stand. It says BMR 1959. So guys, that's it. Oh, I forgot to mention, he also came with his certificate on the back of the box. I'm going to get 2 others boys probably. Right, bye.